We'll guide you through how to make isometric grid in Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open the Windows Start menu on your desktop, and use the taskbar search feature to find Google Chrome. Once the browser appears in the results, open the Google Chrome application. In the browser, enter Figma into the search bar and click the official Figma website from the search results. Before proceeding, ensure that you're already logged into your Figma account. For this tutorial, start a new project by clicking plus design file from a dashboard. After creating the file, the edit page of your project will open. Next, locate the Shape Tools menu in the top toolbar. Click it and select Polygon from the available shape options. Choose the area on the canvas where you want to place the shape, then click, hold, and drag your mouse to create it. To keep the shape perfectly proportional, press and hold the Shift key while dragging. Once the shape has been created, release the mouse button. Then, move your cursor to the right side Properties panel and locate the shape handle labeled Count. Click and drag upward until the count value changes from 3 to 6. After creating the hexagon, double-click the shape to enter vector edit mode. While in this mode, press P on your keyboard to activate the pen tool. Use the pen tool to connect each opposing vertex point with a line running through the center of the shape. Repeat this process until all opposing points are connected. Next, remove the fill color from the Shape Properties panel and apply a stroke instead so the internal lines remain visible. When you have finished editing, close the Vector Edit view. Duplicate the completed shape by pressing Ctrl+D and arrange the copies side by side to build an isometric grid pattern. Finally, select all of the shapes, group them together, and convert them into a single component by pressing Ctrl+Alt+K. Your isometric grid component is now ready for future use.